So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark the areas. So I'm gonna still go a little on the side. I'm so excited for you. It's gonna be great because for you, the main thing, like I told you, it's the volume. So we'll replace it with the fat. We'll put some, the lips. We'll restore the lips, and then we'll restore the skin. So the wrinkles, the eyelids, the under eyes. It's gonna be amazing. I'm supposed to do this 30 times. Okay, so we're homogenizing, and these little kind of attachments have little tiny holes, so it makes the fat cells be as uniform as tiny as possible. If you can see that little hole, so yeah. And then after that, then we'll put it through this ACM device. ACM device. So we're gonna put that through here. And we'll add some platelet-rich plasma. Purple is finished, so now the attachment's now the green. So I already added about 3.5 cc's of PRP in here. This is homogenized. We went through this one and then the purple one. So I'm just gonna add it in here. Here it is. So the PRP is mixed in there. And that will increase the the potential life of the stem cells. So this is the ACM device, and you can see that it comes with this kind of strainer, and so the fat cells are going to go through there. And now we're just kind of pushing the fat for the final homogenization, and then it's going to be ready for injection. And let me just show you the difference. They're real kind of like nice uniform droplet, smooth, okay? This one is the one that hasn't been processed. You can see they're gloves. So you can see the difference. You have a nice smooth liquid versus clumps of fat. She has the nice bone structure that she used to have. Smile here, Krista. See, this was how it was. You see the wrinkling, the extra skin, the cheek here, the temple, the sides of the face. This is still flat because I haven't done her right side. And then here is the side that's finished after the ALMI procedure. And you can see there's no lumpiness. What do you think, Krista, right? No lumpiness?
Great.
Huh?
Yeah, it looks great.
And on this side, look at her. Beautiful. She got her jawline back, the cheeks, no more lines and sagging and the jowls there. And we did a bonus. Look, Krista now has lips.
Yay, lips.
Yeah, yay lips, exactly.